Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be playing a math game. Now I have a die that we are going to use for this game as well as a table that I created by putting the numbers 1 through 6 on a piece of paper as well as what each side of the die looks like. So this side has one dot, which means this represents the number 1. And you can see right here, the one dot is underneath the number 1. And a die has 6 sides, so it has the numbers 1 through 6. Now I also have some stickers because, friends, we are going to roll this die 10 times. And every roll that we do, I'm going to put a sticker under the number that we roll. And then at the end, we are going to look at all of the rolls that we did and what we can find out, okay? So let's start rolling. Okay, the first roll is the number, let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which column do I need to put this sticker under? Which number? That's right, the number 5. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it right under the number 5. And that is our first roll. Okay, let's roll again. What number did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am going to take a sticker and put it under the number 6, right here. Okay, let's roll again. What number is this? The number 1. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it underneath the number 1. That's right. Okay, so how many times have we rolled so far? Well, to find out, we can just count the number of stickers. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3. We have rolled 3 times. But we want to roll 10 times, so I know that we need to roll 7 more times. What number did we roll? The number 1 again. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it underneath the number 1. What number is this? 1, 2. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it in the 2 column, right here. Okay, and let's roll again. And what number did I get? 4. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it underneath the number 4. My friends, is there any number we haven't rolled yet? Let's look at the table. I see that we have stickers under every single number except for the number 3. So I know that we have rolled every number except for number 3. Okay, let's keep rolling. What number did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it underneath the number 5. Oops. Okay, let's roll again. And we got the number 2. So I'm taking a sticker and putting it underneath the number 2. My friends, remember, we are only rolling 10 times. Do we know how many times we rolled? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to roll 2 more times to get to the number 10. Okay, let's roll again. And we got the number 4. So I'm going to take a sticker and put it under the number 4. Okay, and we still have not rolled a number 3. Do you think our last roll will be the number 3? Let's find out. Oh no, we didn't get the number 3, but what number did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. So I'm going to take my last sticker and put it underneath the number 6. And my friends, look at that. Can anyone tell me what number we rolled the most of? Let's see. If we look at our table, we can count the stickers under every number to find out which number has the most stickers. So let's start with the number 1. How many stickers is underneath the number 1? 1, 2. So we rolled the number 1 2 times or twice. Under the number 2, there's also 1, 2 stickers. So we rolled the number 2 twice. And we already know that we didn't roll the number 3 any times. The number 4, we also rolled twice. The number 5, 1, 2, that's also twice. And my friends, what about the number 6? We rolled number 6 twice as well. So my friends, which number did we roll the highest? There is not one number that rolled more than any other number because we rolled every single number twice except for the number 3. So we rolled 1, 2, 3, for 5 numbers the same amount of times, twice each, 2 times each. That is so silly. And we rolled 1 number 0 times. So my friends, if you make your own table at home, and if you find some dice from a board game, or if you have fuzzy dice in your car, or if you even want to make one like I did, and if you have some stickers, then you can play this game and you can roll your die as many times as you want, and then you can look at your table and do some fun math problems like seeing how many numbers rolled the same number of times, if any of the numbers were rolled 0 times, and which number was rolled the most times. So I hope you have so much fun doing this game at home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!